嗨，大家好，我是阿凯。Hello everyone, I am Kai, and today we continue with the HSK Wordlist from the HSK Standard Course, Volume 1. Last time we have done from I to go, and today we continue with 汉语. Okay. 第一个 the first one, 汉语 汉语 We speak Chinese. 我们说汉语。我们说汉语。We learn Chinese. 我们学汉语。我们学汉语。我们学汉语。The next one, 第二个。好，好 good, fine. Very good, 很好，很好。A good person, 好人，一个好人，好人，很好。The next one, 第三个。号，号 is for the date of month, is a number for the date of month. February the 2nd, 2月2号。February the 3rd, 2月3号。And today is November the 16th. 今天是11月16号。November the 16th. 11月16号。第四个 the fourth one, 喝，喝 to drink. I drink water. 我喝水，我喝水。I drink tea. 我喝茶，我喝茶。I drink coffee. 我喝咖啡，我喝咖啡。I love drinking tea. 我爱喝茶。I love drinking coffee. 我爱喝咖啡。The next one, 和，和 and. You and me are friends. 你和我是朋友。你和我是朋友。We are going shopping together. I and you, you and me, are going shopping together. 你和我一起去买东西。I love tea. I love drinking tea and coffee. 我爱喝茶和咖啡。我爱喝茶和咖啡。The next one, 很 very, quite. 很好 very good, quite good. 很好很大 very big, very large, 很大很大。And very happy, 很高兴很高兴。Very glad, 很高兴。Very many, very much, 很多很多。The next one, 后面 back, 后面 back. 在后面 something is in the back. There's a dog in the back. 后面有只狗。后面有一只狗。Or we can omit the 一。后面有只狗。There's a dog in the back. Or there's a dog following us. 后面有只狗。我们后面有只狗。The bank is in the back of the post office. 银行在邮局的后面。银行在邮局的后面。回 to come back, to go back, to return. To come back home, 回家 to go back home 回家 I'd like to go back home 我想回家 I want to go home 我要回家 The next one 会 can to be able to be able to do something I can speak Chinese 我会说汉语 I can speak English 我会说英语 I can cook Chinese food 我会做中国菜 or 我会做中餐 The next one 几 How many? Asking for a small number, usually smaller than 10. 现在几点 Here's the exception. 现在几点 Asking about the time. And sometimes it can be larger than 10. So 12, 12点现在12点 It's 12 o'clock now. 现在12点你今年几岁 How old are you? In this year? How old are you this year? 你今年几岁 So it is asking a small number actually, so this question can only be used to the little children. If you ask an elderly person, 你今年几岁 It sounds very rude because the 几 is asking for a small number, so you're literally telling him or her that he's childish. So, 你今年几岁 How old are you this year? Asking a child. If we are asking the age of an adult person, we are going to use 你今年多大? 你今年多大? If that person is elderly, aged, we are going to add another word 你今年多大年纪? 你今年多大年纪? To make it sound more politely. The next one 家 family or home. Go back home 回家 Go back home 回家 My family, my home 我家 My family has a dog 我家有一条狗我家有一只狗 The next one 叫 to call, to be called. This word is used when we are introducing our given name or full name. 我叫凯 That's a given name. 我叫 Then you can plus a full name. The next one 今天 today. 今天今天几月几号 What is the date of today? 今天星期几 What is the day in the week? Today. 今天星期一 Yeah, today is Monday. The next one 9 9 Number 9 9 There are 9 bottles of beer in my fridge. 我的冰箱里有9瓶酒。I'd like to drink 9 beers. 我要喝9瓶酒。9 bottles of beer. 9瓶啤酒。9瓶啤酒。That's too much. The next one, 开 to drive. 开车 to drive a car. 开车 开 can also means to open. So to open the door. 开门 And to open the heart. 开心 which actually means happy. 开心 happy. He's quite 开心 He's quite happy. 他很开心 He's quite happy today. 他今天很开心。他今天很开心。The next one, 看 to look at, to watch, to read. So, 看这里 look here, 看这里，看那里 look there. 看电影 to watch a movie, 看电视 to watch TV. 看足球 to watch football match. 看书 to read a book. The next one, 看见 to see, is to emphasize the result of watching or looking, like what you have seen. 看见 I have seen a person, 我看见一个人。I see a person, 我看见一个人。I see a dog, 我看见一条狗。I see a dog, 我看见一条狗。I see a cake, 我看见一块蛋糕。The next one, 块 is a unit of money as yuan, or it can also be used as a piece of cake, a little brick, in quotation marks, a little brick of cake, 一块蛋糕，一块蛋糕。Or for the money, 一块钱 1 yuan. The next one, 来 to come. To come here, 来这里，来这里。To come to the school, 来学校，来学校。To come to China, 来中国。To come to Germany, 来德国。To come down, 下来。To come up, 上来。The next one, 老师 teacher. He is a teacher. 他是一个老师。他是一个老师。He is a Chinese teacher. 他是一个汉语老师。他是一个汉语老师。The next one, 了 used at the end of a sentence or in the middle of a sentence to indicate a change or a new circumstance. Is to report a new information. Something has changed. Like earlier it wasn't raining, but now it is raining. So we say 下雨了 raining 下雨下雨了 It is raining now to report this new information. The weather changed. 我饿了 I'm hungry. Yeah, earlier you don't know that I'm hungry, but now I'm reporting to you this new information. I am hungry. 我饿了。The next one, 冷 cold. Cold. It's quite cold. It's very cold. 很冷 It's not cold. Today is not cold. 今天不冷 Not cold. 不冷。Today not cold. It's not cold. 今天不冷。The next one, 里 inner, inside, interior. 里房间里 in the room. Yeah. 房间里有一只狗 In the room there is a dog. 房间里有一只狗 In the room there is a dog. The next one, 六 number 6, 六 I'd like to drink 6 bottles of wine. That's too much. 6 bottles of beer. 我想喝6瓶啤酒。I'd like to drink 6 bottles of beer. 我想喝6瓶啤酒。I've got 6 apples at home. 我家有6个苹果。We have got 6 people in my family. 我家有6口人。Okay, let's stop here today, and next time we continue with Mama. Okay, Today we stop here. See you next time.